Good day, everyone. Well, if you want to restore the right-click menu in the old-fashioned old way, which used to be, you can simply do a right-click in the start icon and then go to Terminal Admin, say yes. So you're seeing the Windows 11 new menus, the right-click menus. If you want to change it, I'll mention a command which you need to just paste it right there and hit enter. So this is to restore the old one. Just copy it and paste it right there and hit enter, and then open the task manager by just doing a right click, go to task manager, and here go to processes, search expl, and you will find the Windows Explorer. Just do a right click, click on restart. So in this manner we have refreshed the Windows Explorer, and now when I'll do the right click, you will see the old version of right click menus. You can see that. And if you want to undo that, you can simply copy the command again, which I'll mention. I'll just copy it and we will do a right click in the start icon, terminal admin, say yes, and then paste it right there, hit enter. It is successfully completed. Now again, go back to the task manager, go to processes tab, search expl, and you will find Windows Explorer. Do a right click, click on restart. So once the Explorer has been restarted, I'll do a right click and you will find the old menu of the right click. If you find this tutorial helpful, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.